Cutting to Karnataka, there seems to be more trouble for Prajwal Revanna's brother Suraj Revanna. Another case has now been filed against him on charges of sexual assault. Complaint has been filed under Section 377 of unnatural sex. Shockingly, the man who's filed the complaint against Suraj is Shivakumar. Shivakumar is a close aide of Suraj Revanna, the same Shivakumar who initially helped Suraj Revanna file an extortion case of 5 crores against Chetan and his brother-in-law. This is the same Chetan who's also filed an FIR against Suraj Revanna, accusing him of forcing him into homosexual acts at his farmhouse. Of course, Suraj Revanna has now been sent to 7 days police custody, but this is unfortunate as we see, even before the first case is thoroughly investigated, another complaint of unnatural sex has been filed against Suraj Revanna. We also know that Prajwal Revanna himself is now facing a 4th case in this. In fact, Prajwal Revanna is also currently sent to judicial custody until the 7th of July. He faces allegations of sexual harassment, stalking, criminal intimidation by another victim. This is the 4th case against Prajwal Revanna as well, where the victim claims that a video was recorded by Prajwal and he shared it willingly with multiple people. There are a few more names involved in that complaint. I'm going to cut across Anagha Akesha for more on that. Anagha, both the brothers have fresh cases filed against them. Suraj Revanna and Prajwal Revanna have fresh cases of sexual assault filed against them. Trouble only mounting for the family.
Well, that's right, Nabila. You know, adding to just what you said, both of them have fresh cases filed against them on the same day. Prajwal Revanna was in CID headquarters, whereas his elder brother, Suraj Revanna, was in Hassan. And the irony in this whole case, Nabila, is the fact that the one who has freshly filed a case against Suraj is actually the one who tried to shield him by filing a complaint on his behalf with the police, stating that, you know, the first sexual assault victim, Chetan, tried to extort money from us. So, in fact, he is the one who tried to protect his friend Suraj, but now after he's sent to police custody and now he knows that things are not so good for his friend, he decides to come out and file a complaint with Hassan police station, stating that Suraj has also performed unnatural sex forcefully, and that's why Section 377 was filed on him as well. Remember, Shivakumar is also a very close aide of Suraj Revanna. He tried protecting him when the first case was filed against him. So this fresh case, Nabila, is only going to solidify and mount more troubles against against Suraj Revanna. So the next step will be Suraj will be taken to Hassan to conduct a spot mahazar in that exact Garnikada farmhouse where he has allegedly forcefully raped so many men. We don't know how many more men are yet to come out and file complaints, but for now we have 2 of them. One is Chetan and the other one is Shivakumar, and both of them are said to have been close to Suraj in the past.
Very unfortunate for Devegowda's family, as both Devegowda's grandsons are currently in prison, both on charges of sexual assault, while Suraj Revanna faces charges of unnatural sex, forcefully pushing the victims into having homosexual acts with him, while Prajwal Revanna is accused by many women of rape. Thanks very much, Anagha, for joining us.